Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you or discuss with you how to fix KitchenAid Dishwasher F9E1 error code. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. Now, the F9E1 error indicates that your dishwasher isn't draining properly. So this can happen due to a clogged drain, a kink drain hose, or even a faulty control board. Now, how do we fix this issue? So first is you want to check your drain hose. Now, usually the drain hose is going to be at the back. So in this case, you want to inspect the drain hose to make sure it's not bent or pinched. So if it is, you want to straighten it so that water can flow freely on your drain hose. Also, disconnect the drain hose here and check for clogs, debris, or food particles that can easily block it. Now, if you find anything, clean it out thoroughly. Now, also, you want to ensure proper installation here. So make sure the drain hose is securely attached and positioned correctly on your dishwasher here. Now, another thing that you might want to do here is you want to run this the garbage disposal. Now, if your dishwasher, specifically in this case, is connected to a garbage disposal, you want to run disposal to ensure no food or debris is blocking the pathway. Now, also, if your dishwasher is newly installed, make sure the knockout plug on the garbage disposal inlet has been removed. So this is a small plastic piece that needs to be taken out for proper drainage. Now, if none of this work, the next thing that you want to do here is you want to reset your dishwasher. So in this case, resetting it can sometimes solve this issue. So in this case, first is you want to unplug your dishwasher from any electrical plugs that you have. Now, from then on, first you want to turn it off, but if you can't access the actual plug, you will need to turn it off via the circuit breaker. Now, you need to wait for around like 60 seconds or more to drain the power from your dishwasher here, just to make sure to reset it. Then from then on, once the time is up, you can go and turn it back on, plug it back in, and check if the error is now gone. Now, if none of this work, it means the problem itself might be a lot deeper than you think. So in this case, it is suggested that you call KitchenAid support for this one, because sometimes it might be a faulty control board here, and replacing that can be complicated, especially if you don't have the right knowledge for it. So in this case, you want to go to their official website here, and you want to look for the option for you to contact support. So from their official website, you want to go to the very bottom here, you want to go to service and support, and you want to click on schedule service. Now, from here, what we need to do is we just need to fill out some information here. So go ahead and click on schedule repair, or in this case, manage your appointment. Now, you could also contact them via the following numbers here. So if you are in the Canada region, but in this case, just click on schedule repair, fill out all the necessary details to schedule your repair for your KitchenAid dishwasher. But in this case, that's about it. So, hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.